Hello, it's Hayley here. I'm just going to show you a step-by-step guide of how to set up easy fundraising and use it on your laptop. So we're just going to create an account. I'm going to show you how to do that, and then how to set up a donation reminder on your browser so that whenever you go on to a shop which is registered with Easy Fundraising, you can just simply collect the donation and that will go straight to Exum Dance Company without you having to spend any extra money other than what you're actually buying at the checkout. It's really easy to do, anyone can follow this, and it's about a quick 2-minute step-by-step guide, so just watch on and see how to do it. Okay, so to set up the Easy Fundraising, you just need to type into Google Easy Fundraising. This will then come up. Give that a click. And then we're just going to type in here Exum. We're the first ones that come up. And then here you can sign up with email. And it's really easy, you just need to put in all your details here. We've created our account, and then we're just going to press add the donation reminder, and this will appear as a pop-up on your browser, and you just press add to Chrome. It won't let me do it because I'm on an incognito browser. Okay, so now that I've added the donation reminder to my browser, it will appear as a little pop-up before I click it. And then that's now activated for me to carry on shopping as normal, and it will just automatically add the 2% donation and you don't have to spend any extra money. It works on other sites such as Argos. And you can click this again. And it's done it. House of Fraser. Again, this one might appear as a pop-up as you go onto the site, so you'll have to just collect the donation. There we go. Okay, so I hope that was easy enough for you guys. There you go, you can see it's been activated. It works across many different sites, and you don't have to pay anything extra, but you can be donating to Exum Dance Company whilst you're online shopping. That was my step-by-step guide on how to set up easy fundraising on your laptop with an email. As you could see when I was going through the steps, you can also do it through Facebook without having to put through your email again, and that's a bit of a quicker option. But I hope that was helpful for you guys, and thank you for watching.